What's up, guys, and welcome back to the video game tier list. And today we're going to be ranking the video games. We got F tier, close / maybe C, A, and S. Close / maybe was meant to be a D. So yeah, let's start today's video off with Pikmin 4. Pikmin 4 is about 3 weeks old. I got it for like Christmas. It's pretty good. I'm gonna have to give it C tier. But at the same time, the game is just fun to play. So I'll go A tier. So yeah, next up we got Dumb Ways to Die 2. The game about Olympics. And yes, Dumb Ways to Die 2 is an Olympic game. And it's also the second addition to the Dumb Ways to Die game series. So for that, I'm going to have to give Dumb Ways to Die 2 an A tier. Because of how fun it is to just watch beings die. No! Okay. Next up, we got Human Fall Flat. And we know that guy Kylie Keane who plays Human Fall Flat. Well, he used to. A lot. Human Fall Flat is a pretty average game. I'll give it C tier. I mean, there's a lot of difficult levels in it. Which gives people, like, the struggle of, like, getting over a bridge. Next up is Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash, I'm a huge fan of that game. It was fun to play. For that, I'm going to have to give it A tier. And the only reason I haven't gave any of these games S tier yet is because I'm looking for a king game. But yeah, Geometry Dash, it's really difficult levels, but it's also fun to see. Your high score. Okay, next up we got Dumb Ways to Die 4. Dumb Ways to Die 4 is probably going to go with its ancestor, Dumb Ways to Die 2 and A tier. Because Dumb Ways to Die 4, just like the second one, and it's really fun to play, and they have very similar mini games to Dumb Ways to Die 1. And as well as that is their most recent game. Next up is Pikmin 2. Pikmin 2 is probably a really fun game, but I never played it, so I'm going to give it C tier. So next up we got Bounce Masters. A game where a polar bear shoots a penguin across the screen. It's really weird, so I'll give it C tier. Alright, Roblox. So, I just recently deleted Roblox on accident. When there was a game I had to install that made me uninstall a lot of my games, and Roblox was one of them. Thank goodness it wasn't YouTube, because you guys are really important to me. But because of the fact that if I install that, it's going to make me log in, it's going D tier. So now we have Dumb Ways to Die, which is the very first game that they made. And because that Dumb Ways to Die is a very average game, but it's also really cool. I'll give Dumb Ways to Die C tier. And next up we got Minecraft. I haven't been able to install it, but it looks pretty fun. So I give C tier. No F's or S's yet. Next up we got Pikmin. Just Pikmin. Yeah, Pikmin seems like a pretty fun game. It's probably their oldest. Pikmin seems like an average game though. Subway Surfers. Yeah, Subway Surfers is a running game where you run away from this dude, but But the graphics are really weird. So I'm gonna have to give it D tier. Seems like a pretty fun game. Next up we got Pikmin 3, right? Yeah, that's the first one. Yeah, this is Pikmin 3. Pikmin 3 seems as good as Pikmin 4, so I'll put it in A tier. Next up we got Riddle School, which is a game that people are trying to beat. Because of that, I give it A tier. So we got the Monster World Tour, the 3rd edition. Yeah, because of Monster Die 3 being the 3rd one, I give it A tier. So yeah, that is officially the video game tier list.